So if you are trying to find bestsellers just by going into Etsy and looking for the bestsellers badge, you're already playing behind the 8 ball. There are tons of bestsellers that you don't even see exist right now, and without a tool, it's going to be very challenging to find them and really hard to know what to create. That's why I use my Niche Master tool. This is a custom built tool I built for you to find all the top selling products on Etsy that are bestsellers and popular nows within a few short clicks. And I want to share with you how to use this. So if you head over to the Niche Master tool, you can head over to Niche Finder, and from here you're able to put in any product category you want to target as well as any phrase. So let's say, for instance, I'm searching up a Mother's Day PNG design. I want to head over to PNG and I simply want to put in the phrase mama. This is all I have to do to find the top selling products on Etsy. Now, if I were to do this search on Etsy by itself, again, just searching up the mama PNG, you can see that we have some popular nows and maybe some products that are not popular nows, and we have some bestsellers and some that are not bestsellers. It's going to be very tough to find and pick out which ones you need to target. However, if we head over to the Niche Master tool and search up our phrase mama in the category PNG, we simply have to click one button and this will find all the best selling products for us. That means every single thing on this list has been filtered out to only show us bestsellers. That means everything on this list is making money every single day. And now you have a full master list of products to target. As you see here, we're scrolling down and down, and every single thing on here is a best-selling product. This is going to change the game for you if you are struggling with learning what to create or what to sell. This Niche Master tool is absolutely for free, and I want to gift it to you so you know exactly what to target. Now, in addition to this, not only can you pick out any category and put in any word, literally, there are tons of best-selling products that are making sales every single day that most people miss. But we can go now a step further into what I call the product categories. This is where I will share with you over 100 niches that are micro niches that are making sales today. That means while everyone is searching up these popular terms in this Niche Master, you can click on a product category that you're selling, like t-shirt, and head down and see my niche cards where you can find all of these secret and hidden micro niches that are making sales today. Like this one here, if I go over to hobbies and interests, it will show me all of the best sellers within the book lover niche, or within the reading club niche, or in the fishing life niche. There's a lot of people who won't even know that there's a niche to target, like book lover or gaming squad or camping adventure. But with the Niche Master tool, you're able to find all of these micro niches within a few short seconds. And if you click on view on Etsy, it's going to show you nothing but the best sellers for that niche. Here I am clicking on fishing life, and as you can see here, we're definitely searching up fishing life t-shirt, and you can see from Etsy side is filtering everything to show nothing but the best sellers. And as you can see here, everything here is a popular now or bestseller and is making tons of money on Etsy. So if you want to get access to my Niche Master tool, again, I'm giving this away to you absolutely for free. Simply comment the word niche and I'll send you over this free link. And with this link, it'll take you over to this page here where I send this over to you absolutely for free. Plus, I'll give you a free 30-minute training that you can learn how to use this and how to scale your business even further. Again, simply put in the comment section below the word niche and I'll send this over to you today. And I will also give you access to my prompt library that shows all of my recently released products as well as the prompts for these, so you know exactly how to create them. And if you want to go a step further and actually use the same tool I'm using to create these products that are selling for me every single day, you can click on the remix this design or learn how to sell this, and then this will take you over into my membership. Again, get access to all of this as well as find tons of bestsellers, popular now products on Etsy with a simple click of a button. Again, you want to find all the bestsellers and popular nows while everyone is still searching. You can actually start creating these products that are selling well. Again, you get everything simply putting in the comment section below the word niche, and I'll make sure I send this over to you today.